The eagle must look away in order for it to be grabbed by surprise, lest it leap away too soon and escape. With the bird finally away from the blind and on the open ground, Morley's able to pin the wings to prevent any injury to the bird and to await the arrival of Dr. Dunstan for the work they'll do next. As is customary in capturing birds of prey, it's important to first get a hood over the eyes, as this has the immediate effect of calming the bird and lessening the possibility of the bird injuring itself or one of the scientists during its struggles. The prime reason for capturing this bird is so it can be fitted with one of the specially designed radio telemetry harnesses which are made to fit comfortably on the bird's back. Such a radio and harness serves a dual purpose. The radio is within the harness and will broadcast its signal several years. By monitoring that signal, they'll trace the bird's movements and ascertain where it hunts most often and how large a hunting range it requires. The harness is color-coded, and just by seeing the yellow color, the researchers will know what year the eagle was marked and in what area. The long trailer of the harness carries the transmitting antenna. It hasn't taken long to do the job, and now a check on the radio signal being transmitted is all that remains to be done. Jim Harper gets a good signal on the receiver. Now it's all right to release the captive bird to roam and hunt wherever it will. As is often the case when the hood is removed and one of the captured birds is set free, it is momentarily confused and remains in place for a little while. The scientists will regularly monitor the signal being received, and it will be one more element to add to the increasing knowledge of what the basic requirements are of range and hunting area for these magnificent predatory birds. That information will be correlated with research already completed or yet to be done by the scientists working here. It will be of aid to the Bureau of Land Management in making land use decisions to ensure the safe existence